Why is nobody talking about how Igba Afa is never meant for male native doctors? Afa is a female energy, and hence a woman can be better than men in Afa. Do not allow westernization to bring confusion in remarks to our indigenous spirituality. Afa is one of the triology of Nnagu, Iyom, Agu. These words, Nne or Iyom, are all feminine denotations. Hence, Afa is a female force. If Chukwu must take a gender, then Chukwu Akose must be a woman, as a woman is a complete creation that created all things. A woman is higher than a man in vibration. A woman created a man and not the other way around. Tell me in the comments if you think that Chukwu Okike Abiama is really a male god.